guys, sayawan guys. Sayawan guys, reunion family, Abuimi family. Reunion. Sayawan guys. Hindi mapigil guys. Hindi mapigil ang mga Abuimi guys. Lalo na nandito sa taas ng puno guys. Ayan guys, oh, nakaupo na sa taas ng puno guys. Ayan guys. Hanggang dyan na lang guys. Hanggang dyan na lang guys. Please subscribe. Please like. Please subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.